Let's see how to update all fields in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And before we get into editing all fields, let's first discuss what a field is. So a field is a series of dynamic data that you have to or automatically updates. So for example, dates, names, authors, the table of contents, and footnotes. So for example, for this document, let's make a table of contents for us to be able to arrange all the data right off the bat. Simply go over to the References tab and click on Table of Contents right here. Let's choose the first one. And as you can see, it automatically creates a table of contents for your document along with the page numbers and the titles here at the left. And so to automatically edit these page numbers, as you can see, let's try moving heading 2 into the same page as heading 1. So currently heading 2 is at page 3, heading 1 is at page 2. And let's just remove this. And there you go, they're on the same page. But as you can see right now, heading 2 is still on page 3. So what we can do to update this field is simply first click it and click Update Table. And that will give us the option to update the entire table, including the titles and all those, or update the page numbers only. For this one, we only want to update the page numbers, so we'll choose that option. Click OK, and that will automatically update the page numbers. As you can see, it is now in page 2, the same page as our first heading. And this is a really efficient way to deal with documents that you constantly have to edit and have a table of contents or other fields to deal with. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.